Welcome everyone. So let's begin our today's stream with SwordsMasters. This is a game I'm working on right now. In this game, first we have a first I'll host a server. When we start our game, as you can see, I'm shamelessly advertising. I need an artist for this game, as you'll see in a moment how bad my art is right now. Let's run another instance so we can actually call it multiplayer. So now this is player 1, this will start a game. Player 2. If you want to know how all this magic is working right now, it's no rocket science. You can watch earlier of my 2 streams. I have explained in detailed way possible how I could do that, but right now as you can see, so today we will modify the server and client to actually send the okay. So today we'll add sword to our character. I mean, it will be just code because I don't have art right now. You can see art. I need an artist. If you find some artist, please let me know. Instead of set name, I will call this init function to initialize in player, and I also want a sword type. Dollar say sword type. Let's see how this will work here in the matchmaking. So in matchmaking I call this set name function here. So here we will say init player. Just to get you all the basics, this function will basically have, right now I don't have anything, I'll just keep it blank. To avoid some conflicts, I'll have to keep here equal to say katana. Okay, katana will be the first. Now from the main menu, Okay, wait. So in saved it, our sword type is already getting saved, so I don't think we need to write an explicit function to actually wait. Yes, we need. So during matchmaking, our player will send sword and same sword name. So in the server we'll need to catch that in this init me or init function. Okay. So right now in the init function our player does not have sword type. I know you all are not getting anything out of this, but just keeping the ID. Let's say sword, I'll call it sword equal to blank. When the player will be initiated, its sword will be blank basically. Forget it for. Let's go to init me matchmaking game. So along with this will have id dot sword will have packet dot sword. Same will be copy and paste. This will be changed to underscore. Not a lot of changes, and this will be underscore packet. This does our task. This should do. So for sending packets we will use this name. Instead of name we'll use our swords. So this seems confusing right now, but this is actually very easy for me. Say, because it has cost me a lot of efforts in the earlier time. So if I can show you that, let's say when where my player is the player scene. So in my player scene, near the name, name the text equal to plus sword type plus let's take the slash n. So let's see what happens here. Since we have taken the wait, there are two. We don't want this to name player one name. We want to name this player sword. Player 2 sword. Okay, this seems legit now. I'll just copy this name for future references. After matchmaking, we need to set this to packet data. And also similarly down in this function we need to add player 2 sword. Rest of the script should work as expected. Player 1 sword, player 2 sword, initiate. Okay, crossing the fingers. Let's see. Server should run. So okay, server has started. It should give us our stats. Let's start our player. On one of our hands. And let's say this. I can run my game. Two my games are up. So the player 1 will own a katana, and player 2 will say, let's say we'll have a broadsword. As you can see, now the player 1 has katana and player 2 has broadsword. So this should help. I think that's all for today's stream. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned to the game. In next I'll try to in next stream we'll have a custom matchmaking system. As you can see, let's try. In this we have a same sword as mine. This button is unused right now. So what in my mind is there will be two types of matches. When if one type will be player will be battling against similar types of swords, I mean like katana versus katana or a broadsword versus broadsword, or we can have a different mode where a katana player can also fight a broadsword. Like we can have a clash of, it's called asymmetric gameplay. So see you next time. Bye. And if you find the artist, just let me know.
Bye.